to be retired. If you're heading to bed and you need a nap, it's time to hit the sack. Hit the sack, it's time to rest. Lay down and sleep before the best. Hit the sack, get some sleep tonight. Dream sweet dreams till morning light. After a long day and you're feeling beat, just snuggle in and find your seat. When you're ready for sleep, don't look back. Just go ahead and hit the sack. Hit the sack, it's time to rest. Lay down and sleep before the best. Hit the sack, get some sleep tonight. Dream sweet dreams till morning light. Just snuggle in and find your seat. When you're ready for sleep, don't look back. Just go ahead and hit the sack.